What's up, makeup minions? I'm Kim Witte from Witte Artistry, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button below to become part of the Witte Artistry family. I am back as a lion to read your guys' comments and respond to them with my lion-y self. If you haven't seen this tutorial, it is up in the corner, and if you haven't seen the video that I am about to show you, totally check it out. I feel like I need to start singing Lion King songs.
Where you look, I'm standing spotlight.
So I'm gonna read comments from Zombie Pennywise the Clown. Only in your mind comments. Love that you twisted it and made Pennywise into a zombie. Very nice. Thank you. I thought it would be fun to combine like the old Pennywise when he gets burned with like the inhaler with the new Pennywise and kind of make it even creepier. Josh Prince FX says, this makeup is killer awesome. Great job. Thank you. I'm so glad you liked it. And is killer a pun? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
It's waiting to about to whip up some dinner. I'm serious. Oh, don't do it. Oh my god. I'm done.
Humble Black China Doll comments, I stopped watching a Dr. Pimple Popper video for this. I feel special. Oh my gosh. Thank you. I wanted to say a quick thank you to my awesome Patreon producers, Brad Shear, John Huckabee, Dan Tastic, and James Halderson. Thank you guys so much. If you like me and like my videos, it would mean the world to me if you became a sponsor up on my Patreon page in Dakota. Gore Oland comments, wow, that looks so scary, the creepy kind of scary. Hey, root beer float, yummy. Yes, I thought it would be kind of funny if I drank a root beer float, you know, the whole you'll float too thing, but it was so good. I haven't had a float in like years. E. Callie comments, it looks like the beautiful daughter of Chucky and Pennywise. I will take that as the highest of compliments. Thank you. Kristen K comments, so creepy, do not want you in my closet.
It's too late.
Ken N comments, well, I'd hate to run into that on a dark night. You look great, especially like the pustules. Thank you. Doing the voiceover for this particular makeup was rather entertaining to myself because I couldn't figure out what to call the lumpy bumps. I ended up with like pustules, lumpies, zombie like bubbles, like everything under the sun. Del Reed comments, the undead in clown face. Oh geez, nowhere is safe anymore. Sometimes I wonder about what goes on in your mind, Kim. Just kidding. All of your creations are awesome. Thank you. I sat down and I brainstormed a bit and I thought it would be really fun to make an undead Pennywise, but I wanted to create like my own creative little twist on it. So I added all the bubbles. Shanna Kessler, who's the one who requested the Pennywise look, says, OMG girl, thank you! This is amazing! Layering game is strong with this one. I think this is my favorite Pennywise out there on YouTube. Ah, thank you! I'm so glad you liked it. I love when you guys comment all your feelings, your opinions, your suggestions, but especially when you request a makeup. I love it. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I totally appreciate it and I love hearing your comments. So keep commenting and who knows, you might be in the next comment video, but I just wanted to say thank you guys and I love you. See you next Saturday.